In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move space to another workspace in ClickUp. This walkthrough is perfect if you've built a great setup in one place and want the same structure in another workspace without rebuilding it from scratch. Before we begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct ClickUp account and that you have permission to manage spaces and templates. That will ensure you can save and reuse what you need. Start by opening ClickUp and heading straight to the space you want to move. You'll find your spaces in the left sidebar. Hover over the space name to reveal its options. Then open the space menu, typically shown as a three-dot icon. This menu is where you manage high-level settings for that space. From the menu, choose Save as Template. Think of this as taking a snapshot of your space so you can rebuild it elsewhere. You'll usually be asked what to include. Depending on your setup, you can capture folders, lists, views, custom fields, statuses, and, if needed, tasks. If you're migrating just the structure, keep tasks unchecked. If you want the content too, include them. This choice helps you control exactly what carries over. Next, make the template public and give it a clear, memorable name. Public here means it's available for you and your team to find and use, including from the destination workspace. Use a naming convention that makes sense, like marketing space, template, V1, and add a short description so it's easy to recognize later. Save the template and give ClickUp a moment to process it. Larger spaces can take a bit longer. Now head to the other workspace where you want this space to live. Go to the space where you'd like to bring in the structure. Then look for the option to add from templates and search for the exact template name you just created. When you see it, select it and follow the prompts to apply it. You'll usually have a chance to confirm what gets imported and how certain elements behave, such as remapping assignees, watchers, or due dates. Review these options carefully so the imported space behaves the way you expect. Once the import finishes, take a quick tour through the destination space. Verify that folders, lists, views, and any included tasks appear correctly, and adjust anything that needs fine-tuning. If the template doesn't appear right away, try refreshing, confirm it was saved as public, and check that you're searching under the same account. And that's it. Your space structure is now replicated in another workspace using a template quickly and cleanly.